Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover permanently deleted emails from your Gmail account using your mobile phone. This method works on iPhone, Android phones, and Samsung devices. A lot of people think that once emails are deleted forever, there's no way to get them back. But Gmail actually provides one official recovery tool that may help you restore missing emails, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Before we begin, if this video helps you in any way, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel and helps me continue making helpful tutorials like this one. Now let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once Gmail is open, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll all the way down in the menu and select Help and Feedback. After the Help section opens, tap on the search bar at the top. Type the word missing and search for it. From the results, select the option that says Gmail messages are missing. You'll now see some information about why emails may be missing from your account. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this page. At the bottom, you'll find an option called Recover Your Emails. Tap on Recover Your Emails to open Gmail's recovery tool. Now make sure the correct Gmail address is selected. After confirming your email address, tap Continue. Gmail will now attempt to recover any emails that were deleted in the last 30 days. If the deleted emails are within this time period, there's a chance they may be restored to your inbox. However, if the emails were deleted more than 30 days ago, unfortunately, Gmail does not allow recovery beyond that point. Still, it's always worth trying this tool in case your emails were recently removed, especially if your account was hacked or something was deleted by mistake. Hopefully, Gmail is able to recover your missing messages. And that's it. That's the only official way to recover permanently deleted emails in Gmail on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.